Okay, so I just read about the X server and it's wild. It basically takes requests from applications to create windows.
Wait, seriously. So it's like the conductor of an orchestra managing all these virtual screens. That's fascinating.
Exactly, but I'm curious, how does it decide what gets displayed and what does?
Well, it's directed by the window manager, which sounds like the stage manager. But doesn't that assume everything is perfectly coordinated?
Right, and what happens if there's a bug? Does it just crash the whole system?
Actually, that's interesting. The X server can keep running while apps might fail. But how does it handle overlapping windows?
I guess it layers them based on user interaction, like the active window comes to the front.
Yes, but I wonder how it manages resource allocation. What if too many apps are open?
Good point, it has to balance processing power and memory. That's complicated.
True, and it makes you think about how user-friendly these interfaces are. Any hiccups can frustrate users.
Exactly, the X server is crucial for smooth user experience, but isn't it vulnerable to security issues?
For sure, being open to client requests means it has to be secure, but are there inherent weaknesses?
I think the reliance on the Zorg mailing list for questions shows they need community support.
Right, but what about the potential for misinformation? It's not always reliable.
Great point. Plus, if you look at the bug reports, it's a mixed bag of efficiency versus user frustration.
And that connects to how users perceive technology. If they encounter bugs, they might distrust the system.
Exactly, it's a delicate balance between performance and user trust. That's a tough challenge for developers.
Oh, and about the composite manager, does it add complexity? Isn't that another layer to manage?
Yes, it's like adding another conductor to the orchestra. It can enhance visuals but also complicate things.
But wait, does that mean it can also slow down performance? More layers mean more potential issues.
For sure, it's like stacking too many plates. Eventually, something going to wobble.
Right, and that leads to a question about design choices. Why don't they simplify?
There's a trade-off. Simplicity may come at the cost of customization. Users love options, right?
Definitely, but too many options can confuse users. It's a double-edged sword.
Exactly, and then there's the code repository. Having a community-driven approach could lead to inconsistencies.
Interesting. So, it's like crowdsourcing with varying levels of expertise. That can be risky.
Definitely, and remember the quality of patches can vary. Some may introduce new bugs.
Oh yes, it's a balancing act. It makes you appreciate well-maintained software.
Right, and it raises the question, how do we prioritize stability versus innovation?
That's a tricky one. But ultimately, user experience should guide those decisions.
Absolutely, it's all about keeping users happy while managing back-end complexities.
Exactly. And the implications extend far beyond just the X server, software design philosophy.
Totally, it's a microcosm of larger tech challenges. How do we keep evolving without losing stability?
Right, and this discussion really makes you think about how we trust technology in our daily lives.
Exactly, so what are the key takeaways here? Complexity versus usability, right?
Yes, but also the importance of community contributions. They can make or break the experience.
And let's not forget about the security implications. It always comes back to trust.
True, it's all interconnected in ways we often overlook. Technology isn't just about code.
Right? It's about people interactions and expectations. That's the real heart of it.
So where do we go from here? What should developers focus on to improve?
Maybe prioritize user feedback while ensuring robust security measures. That's key.
Agreed, and keep in mind the balance between features and simplicity. That's crucial for engagement.
Absolutely, it's a fascinating dance of evolution in software design, makes you appreciate it all.
For sure, and it leaves us with the question, how can we trust these systems better?
Great question, trust is foundational, maybe more transparency in development could help.
Exactly, so many layers to consider. This conversation has opened my eyes.
Me too, and it's a reminder of how intertwined our tech is with our daily lives.
Absolutely. The implications of something like the X server are far-reaching.